Well, spending much of my time in southwestern Pennsylvania, that happens to be the center of a large shale play called the Marcellus Shale. And in that market, it's apparent that the shale gas is having a significant impact on the local economy. Much of the discussion was around the energy sector, the supply chain directly associated with the energy sector, but the shale was getting mostly an energy play and not so much a discussion around the potential impacts and benefits to industrial manufacturing. Well, the major finding was really that the shale gas potential was enormous for domestic manufacturing. The opportunity to save $11.6 billion and create potentially 1 million jobs is significant. That's similar to what we expected we would find from the research, but the numbers were obviously staggering. There were really 3 sectors that would benefit the most from shale gas: the chemicals, metals, and industrial manufacturing sectors. And that really comes from products and services being delivered to the energy sector, as well as the potential savings in terms of either energy consumption, energy costs, or also the feedstock, in the case of chemicals, the feedstock into the manufacturing process and using natural gas as a raw material or resource. Well, if we think about the ripple effects, it's really driven principally by the supply chain. If we start to generate additional investment and we onshore, bring back manufacturing to the U.S., the creation of those jobs and the supply chain that will benefit will ultimately ripple down to other industries, other sectors in the local economy. So we really see this as having a larger potential impact than even the numbers we're showing in the report. I mean, the thing that's important about the shale gas is that it is a long-term abundant supply of gas. So we're talking about opportunities for long-term investment and some stability in terms of understanding what that investment might mean. Some of the barriers or challenges that need to still be addressed really relate to principally the environmental concerns around hydraulic fracturing. This has been widely debated, and I think policymakers, along with the industry, really need to address the transparency issues as well as the environmental safety aspects of hydraulic fracturing. I think once those issues and concerns are addressed and addressed to everybody's satisfaction, the full benefits of the shale gas to the economy will be recognized. Really, I think clients should start to assess what the potential investments could be, what the return on those investments could be, and what the impact to a lower natural gas price and an abundant, affordable gas could mean to their business. Assess the possibility of lower cost, assess the possibility of changing the production process and operations to take advantage of new technologies that may in fact utilize gas rather than maybe other alternative sources of energy. So I think it's really looking strategically at what it might mean long term to using this gas in the manufacturing environment.